My name is William Adams, and I'm going to be presenting a presentation on natural resources. And a question you might have is, what is a natural resource? Natural resources are water, trees, minerals or substance such as forest, water, fertile land that occur in nature and can be used for economic gain. Natural resources are Earth's gifts to people's needs in daily life. So we use natural resources on an everyday basis, and you probably don't even realize it. Paper that you write on, the pencil that you use is lead, the gas you use to get to school. And then I have renewable and non-renewable resources. So there's two types of resources. A renewable resource is an organic natural resource which can replenish to overcome usage and consumption, either through biological reproduction or other naturally reoccurring processes in a finite amount of time. And a non-renewable resource is a resource that does not renew itself at a sufficient rate for sustainable economic extraction in meaningful human timeframes. And here I have some renewable resources that you may know of are oxygen, water, solar energy, timber, which is like a forest or just trees outside, or biomass. And then I have non-renewable resources, most fossil fuels such as oil or the gas that you use to get here, or coal that you may burn. And then why do humans need natural resources? Well, we eat food, the vegetables grow from the natural resources, the animals, they eat the grass that grow, and we eat the animals. Travel, the gas that we use to operate the vehicles, the water we drink is in the water cycle. It evaporates and comes back down, and then produce oxygen so we'll be able to breathe and stay alive. And then here I have some facts, some natural resources around the world. In the United States is the world's largest world's largest coal reserves with 491 billion short tons, accounting for 27% of the world's total amount of coal. And in the Arctic Ocean, I have oil and gas. We get oil, gas fields, fish, marine mammals, seals and whales, and sand and gravel, placer deposits, polymetric nodules, and precious stones come from the Arctic Ocean. And then I have the Pacific Ocean, oil and gas fields as well, polymetallic nodules, sand and gravel as well, and then placer deposits. And then we'll also get a large portion of the fish that we eat from the Pacific Ocean. And then last, I have Russia, which is a wide natural resource basic, including major deposits of oil, natural gas, coal, and many strategic minerals, reserves of rare earth elements, timber. And then it says, I found that formidable obstacles of climate and terrain and distance hinder exploration of natural resources. So it's harder to renew, and so there's more non-renewable resources in Russia. And then I have a short video. It's like a minute. Talk about the water cycle, non-renewable resources, and just kind of pick over what I just said. Can you hear it? How do I... sources I use.